you getting notifications on your Apple Watch but not hearing any sound? This usually happens due to silent mode, sound settings, or do not disturb being turned on. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the notifications coming but no sound issue on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before we start, make sure to turn off Do Not Disturb, Bluetooth, and Silent Mode. Now follow my advanced solutions. Solution 1. Change volume balance. Open up the settings on your Apple Watch, scroll down, tap Accessibility, scroll down, and find the mono audio, and adjust the audio volume level balance between the left and right channels. Solution 2. Change volume settings. Open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch again, scroll down a little bit. After that, tap the Sounds and Haptics option. Tap the Volume Up button or drag the slider to the right to increase the volume. You can also turn the digital crown to adjust the slider, or you can use the Control Center as well. To do that, press the side button to open Control Center. Scroll down, tap the speaker icon. Drag the slider that appears to adjust the volume. There is one more to increase the volume, and that is, while you're on a call, rotate the digital crown to adjust the volume of the caller's voice. Solution 3. Check your software update. Open the watch home screen, tap on the Settings app, now scroll down and then tap General. Tap Software Update. If there is a new update, then download and install the update. So folks, this is the way to solve the notifications coming but no sound issue on your Apple Watch. Hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See ya.